I don't sing, but I'll play. In Guinea, it was not a human right. It was not fully democracy. We did like a march, like a protest, because people was getting abused, people was getting arrested because of their ideas. The military came, a bullet got me here, and one got me here. That was terrible, seeing people die.
We work with low-income immigrants who are seeking asylum. So they've fled their home countries because they've been persecuted or they fear persecution.
I remember like 14 or 15 of us, we are jailed in a very difficult situation. So fear to die, no medication. Then one day we get set free. Red Cross, they have to make a kind of a visit to the hospitals and to the jails, stuff like that, to help and to find out what's going on. Then we get set us free.
And so what we do is we recruit, train, and supervise pro bono attorneys to represent them in their applications for asylum.
Some of our colleagues sometimes we make meeting. He said, you know, if you go to United States of America, that is a free country. The idea went straight to my heart, coming to here.
The United States protects the civil rights of people. And since you are 5 or 6 years old, you already know that. When I met my friend Cesar, I think it was the happiest moments of my life. One day he asked me to go on a bird, a gay bar in Quito. So I said, okay, let's go. It was my first time. At that moment, I don't even know that it was a gay bar. So I was very curious to know. It was like a block from the bar. It was first one police officer came in a patrol car. Then another police comes from somewhere in another car. One of them took to Cesar, the other ones took to me. When the police raped me, he told me that if I talk to someone, if I try to talk to my family, or even if I try to make a complaint against him, he's gonna kill me. I went to his house and his mother, dressed in black, came to the door and asked me to leave. She told me that because he was involved with people like me, he was killed. And it took me like 1 month to get out of the country.
What we thought was particularly compelling here and what the asylum officer responded to was that Estefania had begun living as a woman and taking hormone replacements about 6 months before we applied. So she had made a permanent decision after a certain point in time of taking the hormones that she wanted to live as a woman, and that was irreversible.
Yeah, finally I think I live as the way I want to live, as a woman.
I tell our volunteer attorneys that they're in for the ride of their lives when they take these cases, and they're literally changing the course of a client's life.
Pro bono lawyers can help to bridge the justice gap. I founded the Planning and Estate Law Project at the City Bar Justice Center to help low-income people facing life and death situations in their families. Security and protection of life and property take many different forms. Everyone needs good legal advice at times of crisis.
Since I was with Miss Jennifer Fucking with the City Bar of Association, now I get 100% hope for everything.
I think I already told to Nicole so many times that I don't find the words to say thank you for all they did for me.
Pro bono also makes me feel good about my day. It just makes me feel like I have a balance, like I have an opportunity to use the enormous resources that my firm has to really do the best that I can by my clients.
But City Bar of Association, they help me. I live legally in this country. I get the working permit. Finally, I'm a citizen. Now I'm working at the World Financial Center. My family, they came in 2011.
My name is Aisata Kuyate. I'm the first daughter. I go to college. My college is Jonye, and I like it. I want to major law. I really want to be a lawyer.
How to be better. That's my goal today. How those cool kids could make better than me.